So how's it going, guys? Zuki here, back with another video, and we have looked at something different previously, but now it's been a while since we have actually looked at the LAVA smartphone. So in this video we're going to take a look at the LAVA Iris Z60, which is an amazing phone, but we really have to find out if it's worth it and if the money that you put in it is worth it. So without much further ado, let's go straight into it. So well, before starting the video, a huge thank you to Jahan Enterprise and also LAVA Mobile Sponsors for making this video possible and providing the product for reviewing it and showing it to you guys. If you want to go and check them out, make sure you do so. The address on the screen right now, and also you can check them out from the link in the description box down below. One more thing, if you haven't checked out my previous videos, then make sure to do so. It's on the top right corner of the screen and also link in the description box down below, so make sure to go and check it out. There are new contents coming up every now and then, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so you are a part of it. The LAVA Iris Z60 has a metal body which is available in two different colors, which are black and golden. The design of the LAVA Iris Z60 is nothing special by looking at it, but definitely feels good in hand for a smooth metal design, but it is quite slippery actually. This phone is compatible for a 72.3mm width and with a thickness of 9.1mm and weighing around 150 grams. The phone has a non-removable 2500 mAh lithium polymer battery and has a micro USB 2.0 for charging it up. Beside the USB port, the phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack, and both of the ports are located on the upper portion of the phone, and also both volume keys and the power button on the right side of the phone. The phone is compatible with 2 SIMs and has a micro SD card slot which can be used for expanding the phone storage up to 64GB. Talking about the display, it has a 5-inch 16:9 IPS LCD capacitive display with a resolution of 418 to 854 pixels and has 66.4% screen to body ratio. The display is neither good nor bad just because it's a budget device, but it could have been better. The phone is quite good actually, but of course not one of the best in the market. Both the primary and secondary camera are 5MP shooter with LED flashes on both sides. The primary camera has a f2.0 autofocus lens which can record videos up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Out of the box, the phone runs on Android 7.0 Nougat. The phone uses MediaTek MT6737M chips with 1GB of RAM and 16GB ROM, which can be upgraded up to 64GB. It has a quad-core 1.1 GHz Cortex A53 and a dedicated GPU of Mali T720 MP2. So all in all, the phone packs quite a lot in it, but really if you look into the other budget phones, you will see that there are a lot in the market that has some better specs than this. If you want to check out something better or something similar to this, then make sure to go and check out the Walton GF7 that we have reviewed, and also go and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. However, to end this video, we can surely say that the LAVA Z60 is a very good budget phone, but really not worth it if you are focused on performance and something that looks really nice. So this is big for today, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed the video. If you did, then make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more contents like this one. All my social medias, including my website, is linked in the description box down below. I'll see you in the next one. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button once again, subscribe to the channel and be a part of the notification squad. I'll see you all in the next one. So take care, guys. Goodbye. Peace.